In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have the Lovable app linked and ready to use inside your ChatGPT experience with just a few quick clicks. I'll walk you through each screen so it feels simple and predictable. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of your screen. Click your profile icon there. This could be your photo or your initials. That opens a small menu where you'll find Settings. Go ahead and click Settings to enter the area where you manage your account and preferences. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where you connect and manage third-party tools. Open Apps, and you'll see options to discover new integrations. Depending on your interface, the button here might say Explore Apps or Add More. Either option takes you to the same place where you can browse and add apps. At the top of the Explore screen, there's a search field. Click into the search bar and type Lovable. Make sure the spelling is correct so it shows up in the results. When you see Lovable listed, select it to open its details page. Here, you'll find the Connect button. Click Connect to begin linking the app to your ChatGPT account. After you click Connect, simply follow the on-screen instructions. These prompts can vary slightly, but they typically ask you to review what the app can do, confirm that you want to link it, and then authorize the connection. If you're shown any permissions or terms, take a moment to read them so you know exactly how the integration will work. Then confirm to continue. Once the connection is complete, you should see a confirmation message or a status that shows Lovable is now connected. You may also notice Lovable listed under your Apps section, which is a good way to verify everything is set. If the page offers any optional tips or configuration notes, feel free to follow them. Otherwise, you're all set. A couple of quick pointers as you wrap up. If the wording you see differs slightly, like Explore Apps versus Add More, that's normal and depends on your version. If Lovable doesn't appear right away in search, double-check the spelling and try again. And as always, keep an eye out for any prompts within ChatGPT that guide you through additional confirmations. That's it. You clicked your profile, opened Settings, chose Apps, explored or added more, searched Lovable, hit Connect, and followed the instructions. You're now connected and ready to go.